In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Foodpanda app on Android. By the end, you'll have the official app installed, opened, and ready for you to sign in or create an account so you can start ordering with confidence. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. This is the safest place to get the official Foodpanda app. A stable internet connection will make the process smoother, and you'll see everything complete right there in the Play Store. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar and type Foodpanda. Make sure you spell it exactly like that, all one word. When the results appear, look for the official listing titled Foodpanda, Food and Groceries. It should be the one you recognize, and choosing the correct app helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you get the latest secure version. Once you've found Foodpanda, Food and Groceries, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading the app and then automatically install it. The time this takes depends on your connection speed and device performance, so don't worry if the progress bar moves slowly for a moment. You'll see the buttons change once the app is ready to go. When installation finishes, tap Open. The app will launch and guide you through getting started. You can sign in if you already have an account or choose to create a new one right from the app. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Take a moment to read any prompts that appear. They're designed to help you set up essential details so your first order goes smoothly. With the Foodpanda app installed, you're all set to explore what it can do for you. You can order food delivery from nearby restaurants when you're craving something specific or just want a quick meal. If you need everyday essentials, you can buy groceries right in the app, which is especially handy when you're short on time. While you wait, you can track deliveries live, so you'll see real-time updates from preparation to arrival. Keep an eye out for vouchers and promos to save money on your orders, and choose the payment option that suits you best, whether that's cash or digital payments. That's it. You opened the Google Play Store, searched for Foodpanda, selected the official Foodpanda Food and Groceries app, tapped Install, waited for it to finish, and then tapped Open to sign in or create an account. You're ready to order, track, and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next meal with Foodpanda.